quite useful, quite effective for the diabetes, even the type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes, and not a type diabetes, because they reduce their daily insulin injections and then their medications too. And they have to reduce the medications and insulin injection. You know why? Because the effectiveness against the diabetes is so good, so in a paradigm shift. Because without the medications and insulin injections and their healthy level of C-peptide or their insulin secretion is getting normalized after 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year, but it's totally according to their health conditions.
How many patents now in the world and also in China, and how many patents you have already?
Okay, this is individually accumulated data from the hospital, so it was 575 patients with the type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, another type. But after the 575 patients, I just delivered to the patients, so more than 1,000 patients, they already know about this. There's the effectiveness against the diabetes. It was exported to the other country, 8 countries during the COVID-19 year, even to the China too.
How many patents?
Patents. We have 18 patents, and then especially for the DMD patents, this is the registered in China too, and 28 countries patents registered the DMD, and also from our research result, 18 patents registration we already have.
In China,
China too. One is the diabetes, and the second one is hair growth and prevention of hair loss and improvement of hair follicles.
How about the possible further cooperation with China?
Yeah, why not? That's why I'm here at Dalian Medical University to make the future cooperation and the bilateral cooperation and research together. And then, in a way, nearly 20% of the Asian people or the Chinese people, more than 20%, they are suffering from the diabetes and hypertension, and then also from the Alzheimer's disease. So if we could cut down the level of the percentage, and then I think it is will be good for the Chinese people.
So your main method is use kind of insect, the edible insect, to cure the diabetes, right?
Right. Yeah, I use the edible insects. It was in Korea and the other advanced countries. More than 10 years ago, it is allowed to be food, but I don't know here in China. But anyhow, most of the human beings, they will accustom to the eating the insects as food, because when you think about the function for the treatment of diabetes or the disease like the aging problems or the osteoporosis or the Alzheimer's disease or Alzheimer's dementia. So that's why we have to think about more deeply about the eating habits as edible insects. Yeah.
Medicine, food.
Yeah. As you know, the Chinese people, China and Korea, we share nearly the same roots from the generation to generation. So you have the proverb that the Yao Shi Tong Yuan in Korea, that's the same at the dinner or the Yao Shi Tong Yuan. We all the time saying about that.
Okay. And it's